Okay, I thought I'd just give you a little update on shortening the door. What I've done is trimmed off the bottom of the door. Basically, you're going to cut off a piece that looks like this. And what I did was I used a piece of angle iron, clamped it, and then ran a grinder, this grinder, along the edge each time. So I got a fairly straight cut. Might not have got the holes quite in the right position, although I don't remember what it looked like before I took it apart, so. At any rate, it fits. So that is all I need to do. I just have to put 2 more screws in the end here. I don't know if that showed up or not, but yeah, basically there's 2 screws in each end. So easier than cutting the door. Actually, I don't know if I mentioned in the previous video, but when I was cutting the fiberglass, I also used my grinder and clamped it and used that for a straight edge. You can see there's a few dings and dents on this piece, and that was because it was so difficult to get off with all the glue on it. But I'm not too worried about the bottom of the door. On the inside, who's going to see it? Except me. Yeah, so I clamped a longer piece of angle iron, clamped it each side, then I ran the blade right along the edge, and that kept everything nice and straight. As you can see, my angle cuts aren't the prettiest, and I wish I had have thought of clamping the little piece of steel. I could have made those much nicer cuts. But after this, I'll do a test fitting. One thing I discovered is this has those stupid friction hinges on it. Makes it very difficult to open the door, especially when you're just testing and it's not mounted to the trailer. I'm gonna phone the dealer and see if there's a way to loosen those up without going and buying new hinges, because they are very irritating. That's definitely solving a problem that nobody considered a problem. Having a door that stays open without putting your little hook thing on the side. Who was asking for that? It's not that difficult to hook the door open. Especially, this makes it so hard to open. You can see everything starting to twist as you open the door. Anyway, something I'll solve another day. Thanks for watching. Bye.